Hollywood is in danger. What if I told you that AI is about to replace everything? Actors, directors, even screenwriters' machines are taking over. By 2030, your favorite movies might be made entirely by artificial intelligence. Crazy? Maybe. But it's already happening, and today we're exposing the shocking truth. Just a few years ago, an AI-made short film called Sunspring went viral. The script, written by a machine. The acting was robotic and weird. But today, AI tools like Sora, Runway ML, and Pika Labs can generate hyper-realistic videos from just a text prompt. Imagine typing a sci-fi movie starring a young Arnold Schwarzenegger, and the AI creates it instantly. No cameras, no crew, just code. Now, studios are using AI to bring dead actors back to life. James Dean, digitally resurrected. Bruce Lee, recreated in 4K. But soon, AI won't just copy stars, it'll invent them. A fully AI-generated actor could become the next Tom Cruise, and nobody would even know it's fake. Is this the future of entertainment, or the end of human creativity? But here's the scary part. AI videos are becoming so realistic, they're fueling a deepfake apocalypse. Fake news, scam ads, even your face could be stolen and used without consent. Governments are panicking, but can they stop it, or is it already too late? One thing's certain, AI is changing Hollywood forever. Will it replace human filmmakers? Should we fear it, or embrace it? Let me know in the comments. And if you want a tutorial on how to make AI videos yourself, smash that like button and subscribe because the future is coming fast.